I just came up with it. Let's make that the first video is going to be how to balance or budget your money if you aren't making it on a consistent, regular basis. Hello everybody, appreciate you clicking on the video. Please leave a like and leave a comment down below on what kind of content you would like to see out of all the different things I'm going to be describing in this video. So if you want to get some value, please stick around to the end of the video and I will explain what the channel is going to be doing from now on, and just kind of wanting to know how I can help you guys in your day-to-day personal lives and personal growth and your finances. So I really appreciate you guys clicking once again. And like I said, stick around to the end of the video and hopefully I can provide some type of value to you guys in the next coming months and years, hopefully. A little bit about myself and why you should trust me to, listen to my video and all this goodness. I do have an associate's degree in business with an emphasis in business management. I'm currently working on my business administration degree, and that's my bachelor's degree, and then I plan to go on and get my MBA. So lots of finance and management all crammed into this brain, and I'm so tired of school, but I'm getting close. I only have about another year till I graduate with my bachelor's degree. While I am young, yes, I have quite a bit of money experience. I am a real estate agent, so since I'm not getting a check every day, it is kind of something that I've had to balance my finances from month to month. That's probably actually, I just came up with it. Let's make that the first video is going to be how to balance or budget your money if you aren't making it on a consistent, regular basis. I used to work a regular part-time job when I was in high school. I worked at 2 different farm stores for my 16th and 17th year. I ended up quitting because school was getting to be too much, because I did high school and college at the same time. So I graduated with my associate's degree and my high school diploma at the exact same time, same day, everything. In fact, I'm sitting here looking at the, this is my associate's degree right here, and I have my high school diploma somewhere else, don't even know where it's at. So I worked the part-time job and I got used to making, a couple $100 a week or a couple $100 every other week. And it was getting pretty comfortable. I had $4,000 or $5,000 saved up already. And then I was making I made, $3,000 or $4,000 my first year. And then I think I worked another summer and a few months. So I made another $3,000 or $4,000 because the job I moved to next, I ended up making more money. So I was getting paid regularly. It was getting pretty comfortable. The bills were coming out, whatever. I still had quite a bit of money. Didn't have to worry about it. Then I ended up quitting my job because of the school load. So it was getting quite tiresome. And the job I was working at was garbage anyways. I wasn't getting paid as much as I thought I should. All this different things, right? Entitlement, 18-year-old entitled. Yes, I understand. So I quit the job and then I went immediately, turned 18, immediately went and got my real estate license. Finished everything, got the license in May, and then started hustling, man. I was out there every day making phone calls, everything. I didn't get my first sale till August, I believe, and it was, I think it was $1,700 check, in which I was so proud of, and it was amazing to just have that much money just, lapped into your hand, and it was like I could have worked, 6 months at a regular job and not made that much. So long story short, I ended up making enough money, and I was like, okay, I've got enough money that I don't have to worry for quite a while. I think I had $15,000, and then I needed a car, so I ended up buying a $10,000 car. So I currently have about $5,000, right? And it's like nerve-wracking because you don't have all the money that you used to, and it's not coming. Like, I don't have a sale for this month, and I probably won't have a sale till probably January of next year, but it should be good sales, like $3,000 and $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 to $10,000 sales that I'll be making all this money. So my advice for you guys would be come up with a plan, write everything down. If you're not making money every day or every week, if you're making it on the monthly, on the bi-weekly, whatever, come up with a plan, write everything down, write your bills, write your expenses, leave yourself room to, you know, go out and have fun. It's something I realized that I have not had any fun at all. You know, worried about the money, worried about the school, the money, it's going to be there. Obviously, you have to get it, but make sure and provide yourself some time to go have fun. You know, go play some music, go out to the skate park, go to the park, just do whatever you guys want to do, right? That's extremely important in my opinion. So, write everything down. Come up with, if you're on a regular job where you're getting paid weekly, bi-weekly, monthly even, write down how much you're going to make, write down the expenses, and just make that work. My best advice, currently I don't have a huge amount of bills, I still live at home. So my advice for everyone that isn't making a steady regular income, I would just, like I said, write everything down. Make sure you have enough money to pay for your bills several months in advance. So I think, you know, I probably have less than $100 in bills a month. So for the year, I need to have about $1,200. Just kind of calculate how much you're going to be spending, that you know you're going to be spending, and then go ahead, write it down, write how much, you know, you project yourself to make. If you can, as a real estate agent, you can't really project yourself to make as much, but you can go off of past years to kind of, you know, value and lead yourself on kind of how much you should be making. So write everything down, project how much you're going to make if you can. If you can't, that's okay. Write everything down and just know how much needs to go out every month, and don't skimp out on, if you have credit card, if you have, you know, phone, if you have rent, all these different things, don't skip out on the bills. I just mentioned earlier, make sure to have time for yourself. Leave time for yourself if it's within the budget. So don't just go squander and, you know, go out to the bar and drink out your entire paycheck if you know that on Monday you have 4 or 5 bills ready, right? So that would be my advice. That's kind of just a quickie slicky little tip, whatever. This isn't how the format of the videos is going to be. I appreciate you guys, to all of you who stuck to the end. Please leave a like and definitely subscribe if you kind of, you know, if you found the information helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave me a comment on how I can help you guys in the future. I'm really looking forward to starting this new channel. Should be posting on Thursdays. So once again, thank you guys, and hopefully you guys can stick along for the ride and enjoy whatever comes next. Thank you.